Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So tonight I want to share with you one of my MVP items that I've had with me on every overlanding trip I've taken so far, and is really going to be good if you get yourself into a situation where the power goes down and you don't have gas available. This is my dual fuel gas stove by Shinestar. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this portable gas stove and you want to help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a small commission for the sale of this item. Just a quick disclaimer before starting the video: if you're not familiar with how to use one of these or you're not comfortable with it, please give it to somebody who is, because these are potentially dangerous. You're dealing with flame and gas, and there's a chance that an explosion might happen. Always follow the manufacturer's direction, and again, if you're not comfortable handling one of these or if you don't know what you're doing, get it to somebody who does know what they're doing. Alright, this burner has been with me on my first overlanding trip where I went from Sacramento into the Grand Tetons and into Yellowstone. 3 overland expos where basically you're camping outdoors for 3 days. And more recently, into my last trip as my secondary burner when we went into Sequoia, Yosemite, and then into Napa Valley. Now, the reason I like this specific version of this burner is it comes with a hard case and it also comes with the adapter so you can use propane tanks as well. A lot of the other ones out there, they're missing either the hard case or the adapter. Let's have a look on the inside. First thing you're going to do is take this plate and flip it upside down. There are specific warnings here not to cook on the flat surface or without this. So you want to flip this upside down because it exposes these arms and they've got little teeth in here. And that's going to help grip onto your cooking vessel so that it doesn't slide around. So I don't know, maybe you forget to turn this the right way around and you leave it upside down like this. You're going to know because this lever right here will not go all the way down. And you need this to go all the way down because it engages the canister so the gas will come out. So just another reason, don't cook with the flat side up. Turn it upside down and get them arms up. This side just flops open, and this is where you're going to insert your butane can. It does take the 8.8 ounce can. And the only thing you got to know is that there's a notch right here that lines up right here. If you don't line it up properly, you won't be able to engage this lever and it won't ignite. So just line this up right here to here. This goes right in here, and then you're going to press this lever down and it'll lock it in place. Now when you first engage this lever, you're going to smell a little bit of gas. If you want, just wait a few seconds for it to go away. The next step is to use the built-in igniter, and all you're going to do is turn this all the way and click it. And now you can adjust the height of your flame. And you're ready to cook. Or if you don't have butane around the house, you can use propane with this gas stove as well. So this is the 1 pounder. You're going to need a longer hose if you want to use something like the 10 or the 15, 20 pounders. I don't know what they got out there. But you're basically just going to take the adapter hose, run it through the back here, and screw it in right where you put your butane can. And take the regulator and screw it into your propane can. Alright, one last thing about using the hose. You want to make sure that it is screwed in all the way, otherwise propane is going to escape from there. So just make sure that you tighten up that adapter really good right in here. And you want to make sure that this hose is away from the burner. And you basically operate this the same way. You're just going to get it down to the ignite portion all the way down. And now we got a flame to cook on. In fact, let me show you what I made with this burner.